Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris as always, and I'm glad to welcome you on my YouTube channel. And let's see what I have today. What if I told you that you can learn your VS Code on your browser without needing of installation or adding any extension? VS Code have been a favorite code editor for many developers worldwide, as it ensures the flexibility and the proper formatting of codes. And the owner of VS Code, which is the Microsoft, decided to put it on the website so that you can go ahead and use it via the browser, and you can access all the functionalities without needing to install it, and you can be able also to save the files. With no further ado, let's go ahead and see how we can do this. And as you can see, I'm in my Chrome, and you can go ahead and play and type VS Code like this one and put vscode.dev. When you go ahead and press enter, you can wait for it to load and so as to see the interface that will come, and the speed will depend on your internet. And as you can see now, I'm ready to go. Let's wait for a couple of milliseconds, and boom, we are in. When you take a closer look, you can see it is pretty much the same as the VS Code when it is installed on our system, and you can see there will be all those interfaces that you used to see on your VS Code where you install it, where you can go on run and debug, and you go on extension, you go on the remote explorer, and you can use this feature if you want to explore or import your files that are on your system. And you can go ahead and create a new file so as to get started. And I'm going to go ahead and create one. So I'm going to create a new file, and it will ask me to select the language. And in this case, let me go ahead and click on here. For example, let's say I want to develop, for example, in PHP or any other language, and I can go ahead and type some PHP codes like here. I can go ahead and type like PHP like this one, and I'm going to close my PHP code here. I can go ahead and echo something here when I try to echo, for example, subscribe like this one, subscribe like this one, and I close this one. I can be able to save this file, and it can be saved on my local computer, just like working in the environment that is on my system. And when you go ahead and go on here and go on file and press on save as, you can see that it will let's see what it will do. Alright, you can see that it will ask me for the location on where I want to save my file, and in this case it is on my documents. I can go ahead and call it test, and when you press on save, and you can see that dot will disappear, which means that my document is saved. When I try to access my documents folder, here it is, and you can see that my test.php is here. Alright guys, I don't want to make this video so long. That was the glimpse on how this works. You can go ahead and visit this website. I'm going to leave the link in the description, but before you go, make sure you help me to grow my channel by doing those YouTube algorithms, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. And like always, stay cool, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.